In the last videos, we learned the C pentascale, the G, the D, and A, and we learned E, and we learned E flat. E flat was the first one that we had our thumb on the black key. And now we're going to learn two more that are up here in the black keys, okay? They are D flat, which looks like that, and A flat, which looks like that. So what's going on with D flat and A flat? Well, we have 4 black notes on the outside and then 1 white note in the middle. All right. If you remember doing D, we actually had 4 white notes on the outside and 1 black note in the middle. Now we're going to do D flat, which means we're going to take the D and go 1 to the left. And we're going to take the E and go 1 to the left. We're going to take F sharp and go 1 to the left. And G goes 1 to the left. And A goes 1 to the left. And now we have D flat. All right. Let's find your left hand, pinky, 4th finger on the E flat, 3, 2, 1. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's try again. Yeah. Now for me, the hardest part on this one is the fact that I have these really thick fingers and my finger is hitting up here on the narrow part of this white key here. So I have to be careful not to hit both of these. So you may have to practice that for a while to figure that out. Strangely, this side I don't have that problem with, but on this side I do. Anyway, okay, so that's D flat. And then we're going to go to A flat, which just like D has a relationship to D flat, where it looks inverse, where we got like the white keys on the outside and black in the middle. Then we go here, black keys on the outside, white in the middle. Same for A. A has the white keys on the outside and black in the middle. And then when we go flat, all of them, we're going to inverse. A flat is the middle one in a set of 3. A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat. Bam, there's your A flat. So let's find that in the left hand, and then we're going to do both. If you want a really nice sound at the end of it, rather than playing all 5 together, we could play just the first one, and the 3rd one, and the 5th one. That'll give you the chord. And now we got... Isn't that pretty? That's real pretty. So in this case, D flat and A flat have the same shape, just like D and A have the same shape. So that is 8 of the 12 pentascales that we're doing. And in the next video, we're going to learn 2 more.